Gonna use the word predatory chiropractors. I created a YouTube video about this to warn people in situations like that. Why? Because if you are in acute pain, that puts you in a very vulnerable state. Okay, and if you're gonna go see any kind of practitioner, whether they're a physiotherapist or a doctor, you're probably going to take them at their word because you're in pain and you want to get out of pain. There are some chiropractors who will charge very large block fees. We're talking like multiple thousands of dollars to sign up for 40, 50, 60 sessions all on the first day. Okay. That in itself is a huge red flag. All right. Here I only do on the per visit basis. You come in, I treat you, you pay, and then I see you again whenever I see you again. Right.